What's up, tubesters and tubettes? Y'all see we got DINO back. Y'all see we got DINO back. And the lesson for the day is please check your tire pressures before you pull out your car. Please check your tire pressure. Make sure your air pressures is good before you pull out your ride. What them little air pressure things cost? $2?
Less than that.
Less than $2, man. Pop them on before you pull your ride out. If not, you could be looking at some of this here. Look at the damage done. Him riding on a flat tire and bust the sidewall. So when it came out, when it bust, it ripped it all of the body work. Chewed up all of the bondo that was stuffed in there. So front and the back. So this time he gonna get a half a quarter. Well, he gonna get a whole quarter to cut it out and fix it. Please check your tire pressure. Please check your tire pressure. I know you want to ride. He couldn't wait to ride, pop the top, but he didn't check his tire pressure. So it broke the belt on this one as well, as you can see. Broke the belt on that one. Broke the belt on the other one. Hell, it looked like he broke the belt on this one. Wait, that's some gun leaning over. Don't look like he got no arch to it. The tires ain't got no arch, Bo. And we're gonna get him back in the game. Put him back in the game, man. Get him together. But that's old DINO, man. DINO catching hell.
He ain't break the interior, though.
Nah, he ain't break that interior. Lesson for the day, check your tire pressure before you ride out. We'll be back in a minute.